come on through. Just watch out for the truck. That way. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the fuck? I got this attachment for the skid steer off the TikTok shop, and it's a trailer mover. It has a bunch of different stuff, but check it out. We're moving this whole trailer right now with it. It's pretty badass. That way you don't have to connect a truck or anything like that. You just simply connect it to your skid steer, and check it out. This whole trailer is going for a ride. And now he's gonna go forward with it. Look at how easy that is. You can do 0-point turns, 360s. This thing is badass, y'all. And just like that, we have it into place. And if you guys want to check one out, they're literally super cheap on the TikTok shop compared to other stores. And if there's any left in stock, I'll link them right here for you.
Here's the top 4 things you look for when buying a skid loader online. I'm Rep with Purple Wave Auction. First thing we're going to want to look at is the tracks. Make sure your sprocket's in good shape, not wore out. Make sure your tracks aren't wore out. And always make sure to take a look at the rollers. Next thing you want to look at, make sure this machine's been greased. A greased machine is a well taken care of machine. Then you're going to want to come back to the engine compartment. Take a look around, make sure there's no oil pouring down the side of the block. Make sure everything looks like it's in good operating condition. And always look at the hour meter when you are buying a piece of equipment.